If you want to know how you can make a respawn on death place, where if you die, you get teleported wherever you died, you're going to have to watch this video all the way to the end to find out exactly how to make this. Hey guys, and welcome back to this brand new tutorial on my YouTube channel. And in this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can make a respawn on death. And what I mean with that, once you die, you get sent back to the place where you died. And that's really cool. And if you do like it, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notifications so never miss out on any video I upload. And overall, if you want to become a member, just click the blue join button down below. It shouldn't be that hard, and I don't think it is hard. And yeah, that's just really cool. And sorry for my inactivity. I had COVID. As I said, yeah, I had COVID. I had a lot of school trouble, just assignments and all that crap. But we're all good now, and that's why I'm here to make a banger tutorial again, and that's why we are here again. So to make this, it is not that hard. You want to go to server script service, and you want to go to a script. You can rename it to server if you would like. First of all, we need to assign the run service. So local run service is equals to game colon get service run service. Now we need the players service. So local players is equals to game colon get service players. Now you need a table for death positions. So local death positions is equals to a table, an empty one. And now we need the players service, or well, we gotta use it. So players.player added colon connect function player. Player.character added colon connect function character. And what this does, the game will once you join, will make a player. And the player will create a character, and that's why you're going to get the function character. And there should be death positions with an S. My bad. Now we need to type run service dot stepped colon wait. And what that does is it will just wait until you step, I believe. I don't know, what does it do? Stepped fires every frame prior to. Yeah, well, probably just some kind of thingy. Now we need to detect what kind of player is in the death position. So if death positions player, so if there's a player, then we will pivot your character, pivot to. What does that do? Transforms the instance along with all of the descendants. Yeah, basically just send you back to where you were. So death positions player, because we will store your position in that death positions. Now we need to define the humanoid. So local humanoid is equals to character colon wait for child humanoid. And now the game will only work if there's a humanoid. And we gotta detect whenever the humanoid dies. So humanoid.died colon connect function like that. And once you die, we will add you to the death positions. So death positions player. So your player is going to be your C frame. So character.primary part.C frame. And we're gonna do primary part because that is your main that's like the main thing in your character. There's one last detection, and that is whenever someone leaves, we have to remove them. So players.player removing colon connect function, and we gotta do death positions player is equals to nil. We just gotta remove it, and I forgot you have to put player in here. So now you got death positions player is equals to nil. So we'll just remove you from it. It is not that hard to make this. So as I said, what we're doing here, local run service, we are defining the run service, and if the run service does not exist yet, we will the script will create it. And if the player service, if the service is not there, the script will create it. This is a table where you can which contains data, whatever you put in it. In our case, we're putting the player in it. Over here, we are waiting until the player has joined. And on the character added line over here, we are just waiting until there's a character added. And once there is, we'll create a function and a variable called character. And character should be like the character. So you got player.character, and character is everything inside of you. And the player is just you. So over here, run service.step::wait. It's just becomes some kind of physics simulation code. You just have to add that in. I believe it like waits until you move or something. And if you die, you cannot move. So that's pretty clear. Over here we got if death positions is player. So like if you are if you're in the table, we will pivot, we will like teleport your character to that position. Because over here, the player is going to be the C frame. So over here we're just checking if there's a C frame of yours, and we'll teleport you to that. Over here we're waiting for the humanoid, and the humanoid lets us do everything we want, you know, set the health, set the walk speed, set the jump power, anything basically. Over here we're waiting until the humanoid dies, and whenever you die, the humanoid dies. So that's pretty clear. And we're just creating a function out of it. And then once you die, we will set your player to your primary part.c frame. And your primary part is the part that is attached to you, and it like controls everything, every single thing. And this is the table. This is you. We're adding you to the data store, or well, to the table. Sorry. And then over here we're just C-framing you, or well, we are setting your C-frame, and over here we are teleporting you. And once you leave, we will remove you from our table. So that is so there's not useless anything inside of it. So let's go ahead and test this out. It should not be that hard. So let's play it. Good. Let me just walk away a little bit. This should be good. And I'm going to die now. Boop. Reset. And then once we respawn, we should be, as you can see, we are over here now. And now, to be honest, I kind of wonder what happens if you die in the air. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So let me just try that. What happens if you do that? Okay, so what happens if I die over here and I quickly move this? I'm probably going to get spawned in the air, but yeah, as you can see, you just get spawned in the air. So that is really cool. And this is basically the tutorial. It is really easy. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a like if you like it. Give it a dislike if you don't like it. Subscribe to my channel. Become a member. Anything you want. All I can say is that my name is Newbie. And I say, peace out.